first flight with the DJI Avata 2. I'm gonna go fly over the property. Oh, this is an area where there's really red dirt. I didn't find any gold over here. But when I was here a couple weeks ago, right in this deep hole right here that we're coming up to, all right, so this is where our last cut was. Okay, I got rid of the beginner mode, obviously you can see. Right in here, you can see that I cut an angle across where we were going because this is the area that seemed to be let's go follow this bird. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? There he is. Okay, I'm having too much fun now. All right. So we're gonna keep coming straight across here. Man, we've moved a lot of ground. But let's check this out. Here you can see old workings. Look at these holes. Yo, that was close. Yo, that was close. You can see all these holes that were dug hundreds of years ago. Eventually we're going to wind up here. Old diggings, hundreds of years ago. So we want to eventually make it this way. But for now, I'm going to fly backwards back to where we are. Circle around here. So we dug all this. Okay, that's where we're at. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. going. Straight up the hill. I'm gonna cut some trenches right here. And let's go back up and see where the holes are. You know, you want to go where the old timers went. You know, everyone's always asking, where do you find gold? Well, you go where they went before. Battery return to home. See if I can do a nice little landing here. Well, missed my little case. But anyways, definitely some new settings on this drone compared to the old one. I'm gonna have to play with it. Can't just frickin' think I know what I'm doing. That was good. I liked it.